Hey, feeling bloated, sluggish, or just off? I get it. We've all been there. Let me show you how to detox quickly and feel better by tomorrow. It's simple, natural, and actually doable. Let's jump in. First thing in the morning, hydrate like you mean it. Warm water with fresh lemon does the trick. It supports digestion and helps your body flush out all the junk. Think of it as hitting the reset button for your insides. Next, load up on greens. A quick smoothie with spinach, cucumber, and a little pineapple is gold. It's packed with nutrients, keeps you full, and gives your body exactly what it needs to detox. Add chia seeds for extra fiber. It's like a broom for your system. Don't skip movement, it's key. A short walk, some yoga, even just stretching helps your body get rid of toxins. Plus, it clears your head, and trust me, you'll feel lighter after. Now, for the rest of the day, keep it simple. Skip the processed stuff, no sugar, no alcohol. Stick to whole foods like veggies, lean protein, and healthy fats. Your body needs clean fuel to work its magic. That's it. Just these small changes, even for one day, can make a huge difference. You'll wake up feeling lighter, clearer, and ready to take on the day. If you try this, let me know in the comments how it goes. I'd love to hear. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. I've got more tips to help you feel your best. See you next time.